Hey guys, Blanchy here from Jayco Newcastle. One of the questions that a lot of people ask about Jayco fridges is, why is my fridge not getting cold? There's a couple of tips that you need to know before you set sail on your first adventure that'll ensure you've got a cold beer when you arrive at your campsite. Tip number one, plug your van in a couple of days before you head away. Switch it over to auto and things will start to cool down inside your fridge. Another great tip is making sure you've got something in the fridge to cool down. Now the way these fridges work is they like to have cold things in them. They make them colder. We chuck a couple of 1.25 litre frozen bottles in our fridge alongside the beers, and we make sure we've got cold beers when we arrive. Now when you arrive at your campsite, one of the main things you need to do to keep this thing cold is to have a level van. It always helps when you've got someone inside the van with a little level on the ground to make sure you're balanced out. A balanced out van equals cold beer.